Kingston College lift Manning Cup title for the 17th time to beat St. Catherine High. Kingston College lift Manning Cup title for the 17th time to beat St. Catherine High 3-1. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Kingston College won their 17th ISA Digital Manning Cup title after completing a 3-1 win over first-time finalist St. Catherine High at the National Stadium on Friday. It was Kingston College's third hole on the trophy in the 6th staging of the competition, as Vassar Reynolds became the third coach to win both the Manning Cup and Rural Area Da Costa Cup, joining Frank Brown and Patrick Jackie Walters. Reynolds had won the Da Costa Cup with Rusty's in 2011. Kingston College lived up to their favorite billing, led 3-0 before St. Catherine High was able to put one in the back of the net. Jashawn Edwards was left unmarked at the far post to head home across in the 37th. Jashawn Edwards was left unmarked at the far post to head home across in the 36th minute, and a minute into added time at the halftime break, Demario Dallas swept home across from the right side to leave St. Catherine High reeling. They added a third goal in the 54th minute when Deshaun Byfield scored before an own goal in the 62nd minute that gave St. Catherine High some hope. It was the fourth Manning Cup loss for St. Catherine's coach Anthony Patrick, and the third one in a row after 2 losses to Bridgeport High. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.